Imagine a food that can transform your health in a revolutionary way, capable of acting directly on your body like a kind of natural remedy, but without the common side effects of artificial medicines. A simple, affordable ingredient that contains an incredible power hidden in its composition. You'll discover in this video what this real nutritional treasure is that many underestimate, but which can make all the difference to your life. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could completely change the way you look after yourself. In modern times, it's increasingly common to opt for ready-made, quick, and practical foods. After all, who hasn't had a busy day and resorted to frozen meals or fast foods full of preservatives and fats? Although they may seem like convenient solutions, these processed foods come at a high price. They are full of substances that overload our bodies, increasing the risks of heart disease, obesity, and silent inflammations that compromise our long-term well-being. As we adapt to the hustle and bustle of everyday life, we neglect the importance of food choices that strengthen our bodies and combat the negative impacts of the modern lifestyle. However, all is not lost. There is a special food that not only helps to detoxify the body, but also provides numerous health benefits, such as improving immunity, speeding up the metabolism, and even relieving chronic pain. Want to know more? Keep watching, because you won't want to miss the chance to incorporate this wonder into your routine. Now, imagine if there was a way to combat the impact of processed foods and still boost your health in an extraordinary way. We're talking about an ingredient that has the potential to be a real revolution in your diet. Incorporating it into your daily routine is simple, but the results can be surprising. Lighter digestion, reduced inflammation, weight control, and even a stronger immune system. It is also known to help relieve nausea, improve blood circulation, and act as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells against damage caused by free radicals. The best part? You don't have to drastically change your eating routine to enjoy these benefits. With small, regular doses, this food can become your great ally in the quest for a healthier, more balanced, and energetic life. Stay with me, because you'll soon discover exactly what makes this ingredient so special. The food in question is ginger, a root known and used for millennia for its medicinal properties. Originally from Asia, ginger is mentioned in historical records dating back more than 2,000 years and is widely used in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine. In addition to its characteristic spicy flavor, it is a rich source of essential nutrients, including vitamins and bioactive compounds. Vitamins and nutrients in ginger. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system and fight infections, as well as acting as a natural antioxidant. Vitamin B6, essential for energy metabolism and the production of important neurotransmitters in the nervous system. Magnesium contributes to muscle and bone health, as well as helping with relaxation and combating stress. Potassium, essential for the balance of fluids in the body and for heart health. Gingerols and showgales, bioactive compounds responsible for ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Main benefits of ginger: strengthens the immune system. Ginger helps fight colds, flu, and other infections thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Improved digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, reducing problems such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Reduces inflammation. Its bioactive compounds help relieve joint and muscle pain, making it useful in the treatment of chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Nausea control. It is widely recognized for relieving nausea, including that caused by travel, pregnancy, and treatments such as chemotherapy. Accelerates metabolism. Consuming ginger can increase calorie burning and help control body weight. Improved blood circulation. It acts as a natural vasodilator, promoting better tissue oxygenation and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Antioxidant action. Its compounds fight free radicals, slowing down cellular aging and reducing the risk of degenerative diseases. Incorporating ginger into your diet is a simple but powerful step towards improving your health in many ways. Before you go any further, don't forget, this channel has a series of videos dedicated to powerful foods, such as ginger, that can transform your health in a practical and efficient way. If you like this content and want to continue learning more about nutrition and well-being, take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel now. Leave a comment sharing your questions or experiences with ginger, and explore our exclusive playlist of magical foods to watch after you finish this video. Don't miss this opportunity to take even better care of yourself and your family. Incorporating ginger into your daily life and the expected results. Now that you know the transformative potential of ginger, it's time to find out how to practically include it in your diet and what concrete benefits you can expect from regular consumption. Ginger is an extremely versatile ingredient. It can be consumed in various forms, such as fresh, powdered, crystallized, in capsules, or even as an essential oil. You can incorporate it into sweet or savory recipes, prepare revitalizing teas, detox juices, or use it as a seasoning for soups, meat, fish, and vegetables. Here are some simple suggestions to get you started. Ginger tea. Boil a few slices of the fresh root in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add lemon and honey for a special flavor. Consuming this tea regularly can improve your digestion and strengthen your immunity. Detox juice. Mix grated ginger with carrots, oranges, and apples for a nutritious and energizing juice, perfect for starting the day in high spirits. Versatile seasoning. Grate fresh ginger over salads, grilled vegetables, or use in marinades for meats, adding a spicy and healthy touch to meals. Desserts. Try adding powdered ginger to cakes or cookies, transforming traditional recipes into more nutritious options. Expected results from regular consumption of ginger. By adopting ginger as a daily ally, you can expect significant changes in your health over time. Here are the main results that many people report after weeks or months of regular consumption. Improved energy and mood. Ginger helps increase metabolism and improves blood circulation, resulting in more vitality for everyday activities. Reduces chronic pain. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger helps relieve joint and muscle pain, making it a great ally for those suffering from arthritis or post-exercise discomfort. Strengthening immunity. Consuming ginger regularly strengthens the body's natural defenses, reducing the frequency of colds and common infections. Weight control. Ginger helps to burn fat and control appetite, making it especially useful in dieting or for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Optimize digestion. Those who suffer from bloating, gas, or indigestion may notice a significant improvement, as ginger promotes the health of the digestive system. Prevention of chronic diseases. With its antioxidant compounds, long-term consumption can help reduce the risk of degenerative diseases such as heart problems and diabetes. Remember, results can vary from person to person, and the key to success lies in consistency. Ginger, when combined with a balanced diet and healthy habits, can really transform your health in a noticeable way. Imagine the impact of ginger on your life. Now, visualize what your routine would be like after adopting ginger on a daily basis. You wake up feeling better, with renewed energy and a lightness that you haven't felt for a long time. Your meals are no longer a problem of digestion. Body aches gradually disappear, and your immunity is so strong that even colds seem to be a thing of the past. It's almost as if your body is working in harmony, as it should be. Over time, you notice visible changes, more vitality, weight under control, and even a sense of mental clarity that previously seemed impossible in the midst of the rush. All this with the help of a simple but powerful food that is now part of your daily routine. But that's just the beginning. On this channel, you'll find many other incredible foods that can transform your health in ways you may never have imagined. To make it easier for you, I've created a special playlist with all the videos about these magical foods, so you can keep learning and taking care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe now and leave a comment on what you thought of this video. Your health deserves this investment, and I'll be here to help you every step of the way. Now it's your turn to transform your health with ginger. You've already learned about the incredible properties and benefits of ginger. Now, imagine how it can fit into your daily life and bring real results to your health. By including ginger in your meals, Whether in teas, juices, soups, or even grated as a spice, you'll be giving your body a regular dose of protection and strengthening. With frequent consumption, the results can be noticeable: fewer colds, greater readiness for daily activities, and more efficient digestion. Over the course of weeks and months, you'll notice that aches and pains decrease, energy increases, and even the appearance of your skin improves, thanks to its antioxidant action. Remember, there's no need to overdo it. Small daily doses are enough to start feeling the benefits. Imagine using ginger as your ally, helping you to live longer and better, with fewer health worries and more focus on what really matters. If you enjoyed this content and want to continue learning about foods that can change your life, take the opportunity to explore the other videos on the channel. We have a special playlist full of information about foods as incredible as ginger. Don't miss the opportunity to continue taking care of yourself and those you love. Share this video with friends and family who need to know about the benefits of ginger. Let's spread more health and well-being together. See you in the next video.